Well, it's a turning point as we talk about Kolkata's RJ Kar rape and murder investigation. Over 35 days that have now passed since that heinous crime was reported. In the latest, the CBI has made 2 significant arrests. As far as the Kolkata police officer Abhijit Mondal, who has been arrested along with the former principal of RJ Kar Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, in the rape and murder case of the junior trainee doctor. Sandeep Ghosh, remember, was previously arrested for corruption, for alleged financial irregularities. But it is the police officer's arrest that has now sparked both intrigue and political fireworks in West Bengal. Abhijit Mondal, who is the station house officer and in charge of the Tala police station, he was questioned for several times and for several hours by the CBI before his arrest was formally done. And however, the CBI has accused him of allegedly tampering with evidence and also delaying when it comes to filing of the FIR. And he failed allegedly to provide satisfying answers to the CBI. Total 3 people are now in the custody of the CBI. The main accused in the case, Sanjoy Roy, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and the SHO, Abhijit Mondal.
We are standing outside the CGO complex here in Salt Lake, where the OC of Tala police station is being taken out now as we speak for Shialda court. And here you see some common citizens have come out here and they are protesting here against Kolkata police. They are sloganeering against Kolkata police and demanding justice. And police is trying to stop them. And on the other hand, I'll show you, on the other hand, this is the CBI taking Abhijit Mondal, the officer in charge of Tala police station, from the CBI office for Shialda court. The central forces are also accompanying the accused at this moment, and huge police forces deployed so that law and order do not arise. You can see people holding sandals in their hand, is protesting and police trying to stop them. आप लोग क्या कहना चाहते हैं? क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि इन सबको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा हो, विनीत गोयल को निकल जाए. He is the main culprit behind this whole episode of murdering and raping this lady. Well, see, आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं?
विनीत गोयल का बोलते हैं, मुख्यमंत्री का बोलते हैं. हम लोग विधाननगर नगर समझे. विधाननगर नगर समझे.
Well, that is how people were angry while they were being taken to the court there. But we also talk about the CBI taking the Kolkata cop Abhijit Mondal into their custody. Now has given the opposition BJP more ammo against the TMC government. They are now stepping up their demand for both Mamata Banerjee and the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal's resignation, and demanding that there needs to be accountability that has to be fixed.
SHO लेटर लिख रहा है कि आप जब एक डॉक्टर ने नोट दिया कि आप शाम के बाद पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कर सकते, तब SHO लिख रहा है कि स्पेशल केस में कर दीजिए. लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि कोई SHO, एक थाना प्रभारी, छोटा सा थाना प्रभारी, क्या डिसीजन ले सकता है? क्या उन्हें ऊपर से बोला गया था, इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया था, तो स्वाभाविक है ऊपर के लोगों को पकड़ना चाहिए. छोटे मोहरा है. विनीत गोयल का अभी इस्तीफा होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो बंगाल की जनता मुख्यमंत्री जी को अपने पद से
Disgraced principal of the RJ Kar Medical College, Sandeep Ghosh, who was promoted to the principal post of another medical college by Mamata Banerjee because she was providing patronage to him, has now been arrested in the rape and murder case as well, apart from the financial irregularities and graft case. This means that he was involved in delay in the FIR, as has been admitted by the Supreme Court. He was responsible for the destruction of the evidence of which has been put in the public domain. He was responsible for the institutional systematic cover-up that began right from the moment go at the hospital level itself. We know that the hospital authorities had misled the parents as well and gave the suicide theory. Apart from that, the SHO of the Tala police station has also been arrested for his role in delay in FIR, for missing evidence, used, for evidence being tampered, for the crime scene being altered. This shows that there was a complete institutional cover-up. But who is above both these people? The Home Ministry and the Health Ministry is controlled by Mamata Banerjee. She should be the one taking accountability. Today, one thing is clear. The Mamata Banerjee was not doing Beti ko Nyay Dilao. She was doing Sabut Mitao, Satya Chupao and Balatkari Bachao.
कलकत्ता पुलिस के एसएचओ के अरेस्ट के बाद में ये साफ हो चुका है कि आरजी का रेप और मर्डर केस के अंदर पूरे का पूरा कवर अप इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज था. एज द पुलिस मिनिस्टर, एज द होम मिनिस्टर, ये इंस्टीट्यूशनल कवर अप की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ममता बनर्जी को लेनी चाहिए. अगर ममता बनर्जी में कोई भी मॉरल कॉन्शियंस है, पीआर स्टंट करने के बजाय रिजाइन करना चाहिए इन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ जस्टिस.
Now, meanwhile, there is no end to the impasse between the junior doctors and Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister herself, when it comes to the establishment itself, because there has been a lot of back and forth that seems to be happening, where the junior doctors finally scaled down for the demand for a live streaming of the meeting with the Chief Minister. They agreed to have the meeting with the minutes of the meeting being recorded and also given to them later. And finally, when there seemed to be some sort of a semblance of consensus, the doctors were told by the Mamata Banerjee administration that it is too late in the night and the meeting cannot take place. Now, the protest as the Swasthya Bhavan in Salt Lake has now entered its seventh day, with the junior doctors who have been camping outside all night for last 6 consecutive nights, be it during the rains that have also been taking place. Let's take a look at the conversation that had happened between the protesting doctors and the Chief Minister.
তোমরা যদি কেউ আসতে চাও আমি সবাইকে বলবো যারা যারা আসতে চান তারা দয়া করে আসুন. তাহলে আপনারা যদি নাই এসে বাড়িতে মিটিং করেন তাহলে আপনারা আমাদের চিঠি দিলেন কেন? এত অসম্মান কেন করছেন? অনেক অসম্মান করছেন আপনারা. আগেও 3 দিন আমি 2 ঘন্টা করে অপেক্ষা করেছি. আমি যার জন্য আপনাদের কাছে নিজে ছুটে গিয়েছিলাম. প্লিজ এইটুকু রেসপেক্ট তো দেবেন. আমি তো আমারও জোড়াত আছে তোমাদের জন্য. আমি তোমাদের বলছি শোনো, তোমরা ছোট আমি বড়, কিন্তু মনে রেখো আমি আন্দোলন করার লোক. আমি আন্দোলনকে মর্যাদা দিতে জানি, তাই তোমাদের কাছে তোমরা আসার আগে আমি ছুটে গিয়েছিলাম.
तो जो हमारी कंडीशंस थी कि सबसे पहले लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो, उससे हम नेगोशिएशन करके नीचे आए कि नहीं लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग नहीं, हमें आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ मीटिंग कंडक्ट करवाइए और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का जो क्लिप है वो हमें दे दीजिए. इस पर भी अथॉरिटीज़ राज़ी नहीं हुए. ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर खुद बाहर आई, उन्होंने हमसे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आओ चाय पी लो. चाय तभी पिएंगे जब हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा. हम वीडियोग्राफी को भी हमने छोड़कर मिनट्स जो एक मीटिंग में लिखा जाता है हर मिनट क्या हुआ है, उसके लिए भी हम जब तैयार हुए तो उसके बाद हमें कहा गया कि बहुत देर हो गई, अब मीटिंग नहीं किया जा सकता.
Let's, in the meantime, get you a big update that is now coming across as far as the Arjikar probe is concerned. We've accessed details of the CBI remand note against the cop Abhijit Mondal, who is now in their custody. And the note exposes a bid to sabotage the probe, a bid to tamper with the evidence. Bhavtosh is with us. Bhavtosh, good morning. The details that are now coming across, exactly what led to the arrest of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and when it comes to Abhijit Mondal.
Good morning, Amita. Very serious charges have been leveled by the Central Bureau of Investigation. CBI in its remand note has specifically said that Abhijit Mondal hurriedly carried out the cremation of the junior doctor's body, despite the fact that the parents wanted a second postmortem. Importantly, they have said that despite knowing the criminal procedure code, which is now BNSS, he did not, in fact, immediately register the FIR. Remember, the Supreme Court bench, headed by the Chief Justice, has repeatedly asked why the FIR was not registered, and the CBI in its remand note has specifically said that being a police officer, he should have immediately registered the FIR. That did not happen. More importantly, the CBI has also said that while the body was, in fact, when the body was found, it was more or less clear that the victim had died. They first, in the general entry, or the DD, and as it's mentioned here in Delhi, they mentioned that she was unconscious, where it was very clear that she had already died. The other point that CBI has mentioned, which is very serious, they have said that both Sandeep Ghosh as well as Abhijit Mondal has entered into criminal conspiracy not to save Sanjay Roy. That this is a very serious charge that CBI has leveled. Importantly, they have now not only to save Sanjay Roy but also others. Now, this is the first arrest that has been made by the CBI. Earlier arrest was done by the Kolkata police. This is the charge that CBI has leveled against Abhijit Mondal, who is a serving police officer of Kolkata police. He is now suspended. This is what CBI has said in its remand note that has been accessed by Times Now. So very serious charges have been leveled by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Right.
We are waiting for a formal reaction from Kolkata police. But earlier also, remember, Amita, they have always defended the actions or at least the procedures that they have followed as far as this case is concerned. Now CBI is saying that the scene of crime has been tampered. Outsiders were allowed to, in fact, enter there.
So
and
due
this has, in
procedure
fact,
was not followed even when it comes to the first step that should have been taken is filing of FIR, and neither when it comes to the crime scene that was cordoned off. Thank you very much, Bhavtosh, for joining in. That's the CBI remand note. Damning details that are now coming across as to the arrest that has now taken place in the latest investigation. Meanwhile, we talk about the junior doctors who are refusing to relent. The protest continues, but the TMC leaders are making fresh claims about their protest statements that are now being made by Kunal Ghosh, who has uploaded an audio on social media platform to claim that the doctors themselves are divided. He's been claiming that there are some doctors who want to end the protest, to end the impasse, and also resume their duties. There is another section of the doctors who want the protest to continue.
জুনিয়র ডক্টররা গতকাল মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বাসভবনে যাওয়ার আগে নিজেদের মধ্যে যে বৈঠক করছিলেন তাতেই স্পষ্ট, সেই কথোপকথনে স্পষ্ট যে একটা অংশ আলোচনা ফলপ্রসূ হোক, জট খুলে যাক চাইলেও অন্য একটি অংশ জট খোলার পক্ষপাতী ছিলেন না।
Well, Shreya is with us right now. Shreya, good morning. How do we understand? Because on one point, the West Bengal Chief Minister is herself making an outreach program straight away dealing with the protesting doctors and making an appeal so that they can end their protest. On the other side, her own party leaders are questioning the protest.
Well, of course, let me first begin by showing you the visual right outside Swasthya Bhavan. Look at how the junior doctors, they're adamant to, take the protest off. They are still sitting in protest. They are doing the siege work. Now, remember, day before yesterday was the 4th consecutive failed meeting between the state government and the protesting doctor. Before that, also, we saw Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee waiting in Nabanna for the protesting doctor to have a dialogue with her and to end the impasse. But after that, we saw that there was a controversy about the live streaming. That became an issue because of which the meeting could not happen. Now, after that, we saw on Saturday, Mamata Banerjee herself came to Swasthya Bhavan right here at the protest site and tried to have a dialogue with the protesting doctors, after which we see that the protesting doctors were called at Kalighat, the Chief Minister's residence. Again, there the meeting could not happen because we saw the doctors were asking for documentation or live streaming initially, and the Chief Minister's office clearly said no. Now, at the end, the doctors say that they have agreed for signed minutes, but by that time, they were informed that it is already pretty late and Mamata Banerjee is not going to meet with the doctors. So, of course, we see on one hand, the doctors continue to do the siege work. Mamata Banerjee, remember herself, when she came to the protest site, she made it very, very clear.
Despite heavy rains, the doctors who have been continuing with the protest, the meeting that did not happen, they were reportedly told that it is too late in the night and the Chief Minister couldn't meet them. But on the other side, their own party leaders have been doing certain name calling and have been making controversial statements and comments about the ongoing doctors' protest. Shreya, thank you very much for the moment. You're watching the Morning News Hour. We're going to be back after a very short break.